So, I just opened up my Retort Furnace for making biochar. There's still a little bit of fire in the bottom. I'm pretty sure that'll go out. But it looks like there's a little bit of fire right there. We don't need that. Should burn out pretty quick. But here's a big piece that came out. This is the crucible side over here. I just laid it over. This was upside down. So this is on the bottom and this was the top here. And so the oxygen can't get to the wood that's in the crucible. And it just turns to charcoal. This is one of the bigger pieces that was in there. It's very lightweight. Let's see what happens when I bump it. See, it just, yep. It is pretty much charcoal. Let's get that off of the fire there. Yep. I would say it's a success because this is pretty much full. All the way down here has 2 barrels I welded together. So yeah, this is the top end here. This is just a vent to see if the methane's coming out, the wood gas. I didn't mess with it. Well, there we have it. Cool. Because I've got plenty of dead wood that needs to be something done with. I'm going to turn it into biochar. And this is just the backyard. There's like 1,000 feet back there. So, yep, the bark beetles are killing all the oak trees and the pecans.